Types of communicative strategy. As communicators, you will encounter various communicative settings wherein you will face different audience or listeners, and you will be engaged to different topics or discussions. A conversation may be complex at times, but with communicative strategies, you will increase your understanding on how you can lead a conversation effectively and meaningfully. It is important that you know how to productively begin and how to smoothly end a conversation. You should also recognize your limitation as a speaker and figure out how to address the problems or barriers that may occur in any communicative situation. These are just some of the strategies that will lead you to a better communicative experience. Nomination. This strategy is used to establish, present, or open a clear and relevant topic to the people we are communicating with. This also allows the conversation to progress or to continue. Example expressions. Have you read about the new guidelines for the enrollment? How can we help our friends on marketing their products? Can you still remember how we have spent our vacation in Davao? Restriction. This is used to consider any limitation you may have as a speaker. If you are the listener, you respond only within a set of instructions given by the speaker. Example expressions. Kindly tell your classmates what you gained from your participation in campus journalism. Tonight is my farewell party. Could you share an unforgettable moment that we had together? Turn taking. This strategy leads the communicators to determine who should speak next to establish and sustain a productive conversation. The primary idea of this strategy is to give all communicators a chance to speak. Example expressions. Keep on explaining your ideas before I give my views. I think we should listen carefully to our researcher. After he speaks, let us share our thoughts or suggestions. Topic control. This strategy helps the communicators stick to a topic throughout the discussion. This is also a simple question and answer scenario that moves the discussion forward. You use this to avoid unnecessary interruptions and topic shifts when a topic is initiated. But minimal responses like yes, no problem, it is true, isn't it, can be used to make yourself actively involved in the conversation. Example expressions. We are getting a decrease in our sales. Do you think we have to make changes in our marketing plans? What other recommendations can you give to establish a good relationship with other construction companies? Topic shifting. This strategy allows moving from one topic to another topic. It is where one part of a conversation ends and where another begins. Example expressions. By the way, will you also be taking an engineering course? Your stories remind me of my grandmother's dedication on writing poems about love and hope. Repair. This strategy refers to how communicators address the problems in speaking, listening, and comprehending that they may encounter in a conversation. Example expressions. You may use a tabular presentation for an easier view of the results. We can refer the proper pronunciation of this word from the dictionary. Termination. This strategy refers to bringing the conversation to its conclusion, or simply ending a topic in a communication. Example expressions: the meeting is adjourned. I will visit you again. See you around. It's wonderful sharing stories with you. More stories next time. Bye.